Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best outdoor toys for kids to stay active. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 10, we have the MotoWorx rocket launcher. The MotoWorx rocket launcher is an all-foam rocket and launcher set that makes for a fun and exciting day outdoors. Watch your child load, stomp, launch, and run after these outdoor flying toys that are not only easy to assemble but also durable. The set does not require batteries, is tried and trusted by many, and includes 8 foam stomp rockets in 3 fun colors along with a folding yellow launcher stand. Your child will have a blast with these high-flying rockets that can soar up to 100 feet. Don't wait to get your hands on this fun outdoor sports toy if you want your child to engage in an energetic game while they learn about adjusting angles, jump force, and so much more. Learn more about this toy by exploring a tester's experience in this review video. Moving on at number 9, we have the Lydaz Bubbles and Go Mower. Encourage your children to head outside and move around in the garden with the Lydaz Bubbles and Go Mower. This outdoor gardening toy can also be the perfect gift as it features a realistic engine with gear sounds that mimic an actual lawnmower, so your child can engage in pretend play. The easy-to-assemble and disassemble mower comes with an electronic bubble machine with an activated fan to blow tons of bubbles as they walk around. The super realistic bubble machine also has a flexible handle. Inspire your child with this brightly colored, durable, portable outdoor toy to encourage them to think of yard work as a fun playtime activity. Check out this review cum testing video to learn more about this product. At number 8, we have the South Beach Bubbles Wowmazing Kit. If you are on the lookout for an engaging outdoor toy for children, here's a unique outdoor water toy with large bubble wands that create huge and long bubbles to keep children entertained on a day out at the park, beach, or even in the backyard. The two-handle design adds to the wow factor, helps enhance your child's imagination and hand-eye coordination skills, and alleviate boredom. All it takes is 1 pouch of the bubble concentrate mixed with water to make these giant bubbles, and you can watch your child happily playing outdoors. This video provides added insights into the product. At number 7, we have the toy Velt Super Archery Bow and Arrow Set. Let your children have the best time playing outdoors with this light-up archery set that comes with 6 suction cup arrows. Designed for imaginative play, this set comes with 3 lighting settings that keep your child thoroughly engaged. The toy set is both fun and educational as it helps your little ones practice their fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, concentration, balance, and stability, making it one of the best outdoor gifts. Watch them aim and fire at a target with arrows that also glow in the dark. You won't have to worry about safety as this toy is made of premium, high-quality, and non-toxic materials. At number 6, we have the Meland Pretend Play Camp Set. The Meland Pretend Play Camp Set includes 20 camping accessories, including a play tent, binoculars, oil lamp, and a magnifier. This must-have outdoor exploration toy set for little explorers helps them enjoy a true camping adventure with all the necessary tools that can be set up in just a few minutes. The true-to-life stove and oil lanterns can even light up with 2Ah batteries to let your children make the most of this realistic camp set. The outdoor adventure toy helps toddlers build a unique interest in outdoor experiences and teaches them to be more independent. Get your child excited about backpacking and develop their imaginative skills with this toy set. At number 5, we have the Power Your Fun FunForts Glow Creative Building Set. Encourage your child's constructive skills with this glow-in-the-dark fort kit. This parent-recommended outdoor activity toy can make your child's imagination run wild as they create countless geometric structures using the 53 building rods and 28 multi-link connector spheres. The award-winning creative building set doubles up as a fun outdoor activity and helps children master basic engineering skills. The safe and non-toxic outdoor toy for children is super easy to assemble and comes with 81 pieces that enable free creative thinking. You can count on this play tent made of BPA-free and child-safe plastic to provide a safe playing experience for curious children aged 4 years and above. At number 4, we have the Obuby Kids Walkie-Talkies. The long-range Obuby Kids Walkie-Talkies are designed for children aged 4 and above and make for an engaging outdoor toy. These walkie-talkies have a range of up to 3 kilometers in an open field. Not only do they support two-way communication with smooth sound quality and adjustable volumes, but also come equipped with 22 channels that are reinforced by 99 CTCSS subcodes. The auto squelch function mutes unnecessary background noises to enable clear conversation even in crowded places, such as parks, outdoor trampolines, or near outdoor swing sets. This entertaining outdoor toy has fun features, including 10 call tones, Roger beeps, and a backlight display. The ergonomic toys can easily be operated with one hand and stored with the help of belt clips. Made of high-quality materials, these walkie-talkies have a long battery life and consume low power. At number 3, we have the Hapinest Turtle Stepping Stones. Create and connect with your little one using the Turtle Stepping Stones set featuring 6 differently colored turtle shells, 1 spinner, and 24 fun activity cards. Designed with durable plastic and anti-slip edging, this age-appropriate outdoor toy helps improve children's balance and coordination skills. Watch them play and learn with this toy that promotes social skill development with 5 classic games. The durable turtle shells can be stacked for easy storage, so you don't even have to look for outdoor toy storage solutions. Encourage pretend play and improve your child's gross motor skills as they hop around fun and challenging obstacle courses. At number 2, we have the Fisher-Price Bubble Mower. Keep your child active with the Bubble Mower by the trusted brand Fisher-Price. It can be used on grass, sidewalk, or driveways and features a lightweight handle that is easy to maneuver and prevents tipping. As your little one rolls the mower, the motor spins and produces bubbles and realistic lawnmower sounds. This toy can boost children's self-confidence and enhance their gross motor skills and hand-eye coordination and could be the best outdoor gift for young ones. And finally at number 1, we have the PlasmaCar. Lay your hands on the award-winning PlasmaCar, designed for indoor and outdoor use to strengthen your child's muscles and develop their balance, coordination, and motor skills. Unlike regular toy cars that rely on pedals, gears, or batteries, the PlasmaCar encourages children to use their feet and the steering wheel to control the direction of the car, making it easy to use. The car is suitable for children aged 3 years and above and can reach speeds of 6 miles per hour. The slightly raised back keeps your little one from sliding off the seat. Moreover, this vehicle can support weights up to 220 pounds and is made as per ASTM, CPSIA, ISO, and CCPA standards. It's a perfect addition to your little one's outdoor playhouse. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.